So the first thing that we're going to be covering here is the actual motherboard. I have used this a bunch of times. This is an MSI Z790. I did end up installing the CPU on the motherboard. Memory that we got with this is G.Skill Ripjaw. This is incredible RAM. It's extremely quick. Next up, we're going to install the NVMe. The NVMe that I got is this one right here. This is Lexar 1 terabyte NVMe. All right, so the NVMe, we're going to go ahead and install this in the top plate. This is the fastest part. Forgot to say to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment.
I hate saying it just as much as you probably hate me saying it, but if I do not say it, like 1% of you will actually do it.
Like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff. Quickly. It comes with 2 pre-installed fans here. It will support a 240mm AIO. There's no like rubber grommets to hide the cables, but with NZXT cases, you always get one of these things. I love Be Quiet though. They're such a good company. I got their power supply in my computer. Oh wow, it is. It's 1 unit. That makes me so happy. Front panel connector. This is my that makes this case worth it. And then HD audio. I'm gonna take the power supply and put that in here. Easy peasy. Just when you think an air cooler is gonna be easier than an AIO to install, you get one of these. See, this is actually the benefit of like building like some like lower end computers, is they're so quick. This is taking me like this is taking me a little over. It's been 23 minutes so far to build this whole computer. That's fast, dude. That's super fast. Is the CPU? I was gonna say, there's no way the CPU cooler is that big.